Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. I'm Nash, and in Czech Republic we're going into lockdown right now, and I see other countries are following suit. So I thought I'd share with you 5 applications you need to know which are gonna help you with your day-to-day life, with working at home, and also with having kids at home over the weekend and so on. So the first tool is a management tool which is used in a lot of big companies, even where I worked in the past, and you've got access to that on your phone or on your desktop, and it's completely free, and it's called Trello. So this is a task management tool where you add things to do, and then you can see what's in progress, and then you see what's completed. So this is really great when you're, for example, at home on a Saturday. You can create a board with all the actions which you want. You can sit down with your family, right? For example, cleaning, cooking, do some shopping, and so on. As the day goes on, people can just take a task, make it in progress, and finish it when they complete the task. So you can have this on your phone, and you can also have it on your laptop. One of the coolest things about this one is that they have templates which you can download and which you can reuse. So you have, for example, one which is for homeschooling. So where you can do, for example, what you want to teach your kid during the day, and or you can also track, for example, the achievements which they've achieved, and you can have tasks for each day of the week from Monday all the way to Friday. So for me and Teresa, we mainly use this tool for brainstorming on content ideas or videos we want to do over a lifespan. So if any one of us have an idea of a video, we just create it, and then it automatically syncs between our mobile phones or laptop, and you can add text description of the video, you can create checklists, and you can also add due dates. So we track what's to be filmed, what's to be edited, and what's already completed and published. So number 2 is free educational apps. You wouldn't believe me if I told you can get free education from Harvard, MIT, from Google, and Red Hat, and IBM, and big IT companies, and it's all for free on your mobile device or on your laptop. So I stumbled first on iTunes University. This is an application on Apple phones. If you don't have it, you can go to the App Store and you can immediately download it. The only bad thing about this one is it's going out of service at the end of 2021. So at least you have a year to use it, also during this lockdown. So in here you can browse for courses, and like that, just start watching and start learning. They have management courses, mathematics, they have IT courses, philosophy, everything, and it's all from top lecturers all over the world. And the good thing about this is the fundamentals of what you're learning are always going to be the same, even though technology changes. So this is really, really cool that you can get it for free. If you want more up to date, there's a couple of websites which I also found. One is called EDX, and the other one is Coursera. It's a mouthful if I'm pronouncing it right. You just register with your email, and you can quickly enroll in any of the classes which are more interesting. Here the courses are more up to date, and they are not as old as in iTunes. And the only catch with their courses is that you don't get a certificate once you finish. If you do want a certificate, you can buy one for up to 99 USD. So the education is still the same, it's all free, and you can as well up your knowledge, up your skills, whether you want to apply for a new job after, or you're looking for a job. This is a nice thing to get under your belt and to learn. You can also enroll for a full degree on Coursera and EDX, but the price is going up to $21,000 and it's not free. You can access it on your computer, also on Apple, and also on Android. Application number 3 is called Watch Netflix Together. So this is a cool Chrome application which you can get from the Chrome store. And imagine it's a Friday night and you want to hang out with your friends, but you are in separate houses and you cannot watch the same thing. You no longer need to call your friends and agree that you're gonna start the Netflix movie in 3, 2, 1. But here you just create a session on the browser, and then you share the link with your friends, and once they open it, it takes them directly to the movie you're watching, and it is synchronized at the time when it's playing, which is really cool. And there's a few other applications which are similar to this, but this one has been found to be the least buggy, and it's actually working quite well. You also have the option to chat with your friends in a chat box, so you can discuss what's happening in the movie, and you can all have a laugh. So I really recommend you downloading this to hang out with your friends on a movie night, and all you need is your Netflix subscription and a Chrome browser. So number 4 is G Suite applications. So most people are using right now, if you have a YouTube account, that means you already have access to the Google platform. That means you got access to this. And it's an alternative to Microsoft Office, where you have a version of Word, Google Sheets, which is an alternative to Excel. And then you've got the last one, which is Slides, which is an alternative to PowerPoint. And this is Google's version, and it's completely free. You can just log in and you can start using these tools to either write your essays or to do your Excel calculations or your presentations. And this is actually a tool which you are using where I'm working, and there's lots of employees there, so it's really good. The number one feature I love is the possibility to collaborate. So for example, if you have a cool project you want to work together with someone, that means everyone just needs to log into the same link and you can work on the same document on different pages or same points. And I find this so amazing. And it's all real time, so any changes they are doing, you're gonna immediately see them on your computer. And if someone messes up one of the documents, you can restore a previous version, so your work is not completely lost. And it's not only limited to working when you're connected to the internet. You can download a plugin, which is also from Google, which allows you to work on the documents but offline. And once you connect back online, it automatically syncs your updates and your documents. So as part of the Google applications, you're gonna also get access to Google Drive. So here you can save your documents and you can create different folders. And if you have a small company of people, you can all work in the same folders and you can know where to find any document which someone else is working on in the same company. So this is really amazing. It's completely free and all you need is your computer browser, and you can also find it on your phone, whether it's Apple or Android. So for the fifth application is the Nike Training Club. And this is an amazing application if you want to work out at home. You log in with or register with your email, and once you find a workout which you want to follow, most of them they don't need weights. There is some which needs weights, so you just find one which works best for you. And once you click start workout, it just shows you what you need to do, either for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, these different lengths, and you just follow along. So I've also been using this application and it really makes you break a sweat. So it's really good because if you're in lockdown and you cannot go outside, at least you can do some of this stuff in the comfort of your home. The only drawback I found with this application is if you have a small phone, it's a bit difficult to see what to do. So I would really prefer it if it was also on laptop and I can just bring it up with a bigger screen and it will be a lot easier for me to follow. So the last one, which is a bonus, is a service which I really found useful, and it's called TransferWise. So if you have any relatives or if yourself you are facing financial difficulties, you can easily send money for a very low cost, and it normally arrives to the destination in a couple of days, and sometimes as soon as you send the money, within 5 minutes it's already there. Take for example, if you are sending 1,000 euros somewhere, it's gonna cost you I think around 10 euro compared to other services where it can go up to 40 euro. So I really love how cheap and how quick, and it's really reliable all the times I've used it. So I think you need to check out TransferWise. So I really hope you found this video useful. It was not sponsored by anyone. These are just my recommendations of applications I really like. So let me know in comments what are your favorite free applications which you have been using, which are going to be very useful in this time period which we're going into. And make sure you leave us a like, comment and subscribe, and we're going to see you in the next video. Bye.